How do I look?
Good.
You can see me?
Yeah.
Hello everyone. Today we're on our way to a race meet. We are headed to a closed track known as Mexico, but it is a closed track, so do not try this at home or go to a track if you are wanting to race people. Happy New Year. We are almost at 1320 subs, and I kind of want to do something at 1320 subs, so get us to 1320 subs and share this video so we can get to 1320 subs, and comment on the video and like the video. And yeah, so we're at the gas station getting we're filling up. There's a TRACKHAWK down there, and it is currently 9:45 and like 40 degrees. Luckily we're all-wheel drive, so we have no problems hooking. I will update y'all when we get to the meet on the cars that we see and you should probably pick on. I'm not the fastest car out there, I'm just here to have fun. I'm my cameraman for today.
Sorry in advance.
What are you doing? You going to the meet? Alright man, see you there. I'm sorry, but $40 on E is absolutely insane. I usually pay $28 to fill up at HEB for a full tank of E. I just paid $40. Ah! What are you doing? Huh? I gotta make sure it goes to the right number I need. 5. Just 5. No. It's at 66. Here, look at me. Who needs to calculate E when you can just go full E?
That boy over there grubbing. That boy just grubbing on that gas station pizza. The boy fat. Boy grubbing on food box pizza.
Bro, where are we going? I really have no idea where we're going. Why can't Terrence just run full E? We have to turn back around because he's like, I need to be on E70. We literally left the gas station. He's like, hey bro, we're having a problem. I need E70 and I'm at E63. Bro, fill up on E. It's better just to overshoot it than to undershoot it. Ah!
Oh my god. Just like that, we're back here again. This is what we're doing. Next time, figure your shit out, bud.
You only put in 1.4 gallons. 1.5, basically. 65! Now it is? It's at 63, I swear. You're racing on whatever you have. I'm not trying to make fun of someone's car, but it looks like old 3M. And why would you put old 3M strip on the side of your car? Like, how does that make sense? I'm genuinely confused.
You should get on board.
Alright, so how's the lighting? Good? Yeah, pretty good. Alright, I'm mic'd up. Jonah's mic'd up.
Yeah.
We're gonna go walk around, just do some scouting. You're gonna hear me talking about cars. Alright, come on.
Let's do it.
So,
That was some top shelf.
what is that? So, oh, there you are.
It's cold.
This guy's dog almost killed me.
It did. It did.
Little 2-year-old dog almost killed me.
But you want to explain the story?
Okay, look guys, it's not my fault. I said, I literally looked at the dog and said, hey bro, look at me. Dog looked at me.
To build context, this is a bully. This is a bully.
No. Your bully's a bully, right? Okay, I looked at the dog, right? Look at the dog, I looked at the dog. And the dog was like, what's up? I said, hey bro, I'm gonna eat you. Dog said, okay, bet. And for the next 45 minutes, dog tried to bite my hand off. End of story.
He was trying to kill him.
I still have my head.
Win-win scenario.
Me, 1, dog 0. There's a TRACKHAWK that we saw earlier over there.
No, you want to race this one?
Tater, nah, bro, he pushing like 900, bro.
Oh, he's like this big, bro.
There's a, oh, it's the same one that I raced last time. That Pickle Performance. Oh, you weren't here. Buses. This one?
Tell me the like.
Oh, it's this one.
Alex, did you hear that, bro?
Okay, calm down, buddy. Nobody wants to know that you got hit by this C7.
Alex, did you hear that?
Huh?
That girl that walked by recording,
What?
she was like, much I'm on fire here. Probably nothing pushing over 6. Everything's slow. I'm like, damn. There she walking right there.
With the jeans.
With the jeans.
Look at the photo.
Oh.
The one that's built like a 2x4? Yeah. Look like her legs don't stick on her body. You ever stick 2 popsicle sticks in Play-Doh? That's exactly what you look like.
He's just here for the vibe. That's I think that's Plug Electric's Grand Cherokee. Oh, I think that's the one that's always on the page.
Yeah,
That's it's the all-wheel drive. I think it's all-wheel drive. We got SRT, Scat Pack, little C5.
It's kind of clean though.
It's a nice setup.
I see the wastegate, no C-turbo. Either underneath or in back.
It's bottom mounted.
Yeah, it's bottom.
It's bottom mounted. It's probably rear mounted. It's a bottom mount.
All I know is I don't want no part of it. I don't know where it is.
Yeah, we're pretty much down on anything tonight.
I don't know where it is. Either way it is. I'll just tell you, I don't want no part of it. No part of it. Can't see the turbo, but see the wastegates, I'm good.
Let's go around the other side.
I've been trying to,
But
bro.
I already know everyone that's like above Texas is like, stop crying. It's only 40 degrees. I can't feel my fingers. We don't get 40. We don't get. I mean, it was 27 at 4 a.m. today. It was like 60 degrees today. Felt good. And then now it's like probably 36.
I'll work outside all day in this weather.
You got a Hellcat? Yeah. Yeah.
Ugh.
Hey, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Scoot back. It's MLK on the windshield.
I'm okay. I have a dream.
Who drives this?
I don't know.
You think he's black? Hold on.
I'm pretty sure he's like the most racist white guy here.
Wait, I think I'm connecting the dots right now.
I have a dream.
But one day be able to open their eyes.
What's crazy is you can't even hear because only us are mic'd up.
Seems like there's no happy medium. It's
What?
Like, it's either they're like
Super slow or pretty
super
quick.
fast.
I mean, it's always fun punching above your weight.
I don't think I can at this moment right now.
Hey, run this.
A V?
The V. It's a twin turbo V6.
I get dogged?
I mean, it makes like 500.
Actually, I might win that. I'm not gonna lie to you. I might win that.
I mean, they're a little lighter than CTSVs.
Yeah, well, this one with downpipe says different.
This is so clean, bro. What's his name? The white Camaro?
Sure. I don't know his name.
Sure.
He was gonna run this car.
This one?
Yeah, SQ5.
Isn't it like 450?
He's on like a downpipe tune, I think. I think he's on 93, so I think he's pushing like probably 420 to 450.
I'm gonna get cooked.
Because I think it was Slow Mexico they posted it. He wants races like 450.
Yeah.
He wants races.
Yeah.
You run them. I don't make 450. I make 375.
Yeah, I make 330.
Wow, bro, there was someone in the fast group chat that I don't even race in, that they're all too fast for me. They all make 1,000 plus. The host was like, dang, there's gonna be a lot of heavy bodies out here. There is a lot of heavy bodies out here.
No, you're right.
Heavy body.
This thing looks stock. This Hellcat, I think I got it.
You probably do.
I think I got it.
You probably
We
do
got no
got it.
traction in the 40-degree weather that we're in right now.
Okay, I'm trying to get some runs in. We need to find some people. I definitely want to run both TRACKHAWKs. See?
Dude, that shit
Your
was
hands are freezing?
I thought I was coming out to have a good night, not suffer.
You are gonna have a good time. As soon as you get back in the car and go for a race.
Where did Keem go?
Not here to watch y'all bully each other.
I just want to run some TRACKHAWKs.
Do it, dude.
I need to get that. Get some content going. What's up, bro? Are you Plug? I'm Alex. I'm in the CTX group chat.
Oh, nice to meet you, man.
What's up, man?
Pleasure to meet you.
You running tonight?
I will.
You run the X3?
Which one's X3?
It's behind the trailer. It's a white one with the black hood.
Sure. I mean, just for fun.
Yeah? All right, bet. Do you have any runs lined up right now? No? Okay. Bet. Yeah, we'll lock in. Like, he looked old, didn't he?
Kind of.
Right.
I just know he was a white guy.
Dude, I definitely should not have worn Vans. I'll tell you that.
How do you think I
Bro, I
feel
can
with birds?
feel it straight through them.
Now I gotta get the other TRACKHAWK. Okay. The guys that I thought drove the TRACKHAWK,
Hell yeah.
they kind of look like guys that drive GTIs.
Yeah, I remember.
Don't look at them. It's gonna be awkward. Hey, do y'all know who drives the TRACKHAWK? Do y'all know who drives the TRACKHAWK?
I know.
What's up, man?
Right here.
Oh, what's up, man?
Yeah.
You got any runs locked in?
Yeah, I'm about to run the Gen 2 in the Corvette real quick. Camaro in the Mercedes.
Yeah. Right now, I just got the white TRACKHAWK locked in right now. I'm trying to find the black TRACKHAWK.
Yeah.
I think I found him. Appreciate it, man.
What up, bro?
What's up, man?
You know.
TRACKHAWK?
What's up, man?
You're a TRACKHAWK, right? No?
Hell no.
No. Who drives a TRACKHAWK, bro? The black one.
This one? Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, no, I saw him at the gas station. I was like, you going to the meeting? He was like, yeah. I was like, all right, I'll see you there. But I forgot what his face looked like.
I think it's gonna cook.
Huh?
I think it's gonna cook.
Yeah, he's gonna run the GTI and the Mustang.
I think it's gonna kill the Mustang.
Huh?
I think you got the Stang. I think you got it.
Yeah. What's done to the Mustang?
It's full bolt on.
93 or E?
E85.
Should be pretty close.
Yeah, I'm on E2, so it should be fun.
Are you on fully or E30?
Oh, E40.
E40? Okay.
Yeah.
That's gonna be fun run for you, baby. Fun run.
Maybe a pretty good run. What are y'all doing, 50? 40?
He wants to do a low roll at like 40.
Of course.
So. On me? I make like 450, 460-ish.
I think y'all should run it too.
Yeah, I could run it.
What is it?
It's like Evo.
I'm down.
I'm at like 480.
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll go on another group.
Yeah, we'll go this group and then we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, y'all know who drives the TRACKHAWK?
It's the old guy. It's the old guy. Oh, it's this guy right here behind you with the green jacket.
Oh, okay. Man, appreciate it. TRACKHAWK? Trying to run it? Trying to run it? Yeah, okay. I have the white TRACKHAWK 2 locked in too, so we can go on a group.
All right, cool. Yeah.
Sounds good. And then insert the sound effect with the green checkbox. Ding, 2 TRACKHAWKs.
And then enter the clip of Alex getting walked by both of them.
Trying to get walked to or what?
You want to go find him?
We're all down there.
You want to? Do you want to find the
crowded.
red or the white RS3?
Yeah, it is.
It's been about 2 days now, and I'm finally getting to editing all this footage. And I just realized that the audio was not working literally the entire time we were about to go do our runs. I think because of the cold and me keeping the lavalier mics out too long, I think they died quickly or something. I don't know, they were not lighting up, so I didn't realize it. I'm gonna do a little voiceover on the time we were in the car, leaving the track, and there's a bunch of cars coming with us. Leaving the track, leaving the parking lot to go to the track. Yeah, a bunch of cars are coming with us. Not us, just a bunch of cars going out at once, which I do not like. So I kind of let all of them pass by because I just want to run the people I locked in with. But then I also realized that there were like 2 other cars that kind of locked in with me last second. It was like a ESS Mustang 6-speed and then something else. I don't know. Maybe a C7. But basically, whenever we were heading to the track, I did not take the U-turn that everyone took, and I'm over here waiting at a stoplight to make the U-turn. So that kind of messed things up, but I mean, the TRACKHAWK at least stayed with me, so we got our run in. So first, we're lining up heads up, probably like, I think a 50 roll. During this run, I was in 3rd gear, you know, 50 roll, brake boosting, and then I'm in 4th gear. And as I'm about to shift to 5th, I guess I shifted too late, so my car automatically shifted to 5th. And as I clicked, it actually went into 6th. So I basically did not run 5th gear. And I kind of just let off. He was probably already like 3 cars out ahead of me, maybe going like 100 miles per hour for myself. So I was like, all right, obviously this TRACKHAWK has something done to it. Like, you know what, let me get the hit. You know, the guy was really cool. He let me get the hit. And it was a lot better of a run. He caught up around, I would say, 130 miles per hour. So, I mean, that thing is quick, but you know, I think me getting the hit definitely factored in that 55-ish 100 pounds that his car weighs. Fun little runs. You know, it's cool seeing really fast cars. I wasn't expecting to lose. Didn't know what was done to it. Didn't ask how much power it made. So yeah, that was it. Back to the video. I forgot to add this, the last part of this section of the clip. TRACKHAWK's rotors and pads were sparking like fireworks, and I had to pull over and let the TRACKHAWK know, like, hey, your car is like about to catch on fire if you keep on braking too hard. And he was like, yeah, I know. I was like, oh. And that's when I asked him, how much power are you making? He said like 1,200, and then other people that I know that know him said that he makes 1,300.
We are at Waterburger. Didn't really get any runs in because I missed the U-turn at the track. I was mainly locking in with the SUV because I feel like I kind of would have walked everyone else based off of what everyone else was talking about. So this is gonna be a short video. I think now on we should ask people, you know, how much power are you making? Probably be smart, but I don't like doing that. I just like racing at the track for fun. So yeah, I mean, it's good to see what's out there. 1,200 horsepower TRACKHAWK apparently. Give me the hit. Pretty good run. It caught up around like 135, 140. But on that first run, I shifted, you know, 3rd, 4th, and then in 5th, I was already in 5th, and it automatically shifted me. No, it automatically shifted me to 5th, and then I shifted myself into 6th. So like I basically didn't run 5th gear. That first one kind of, I was just like, all right, he's gone. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully I can get more content at the track. And see you on the next one.